Hey guys, it's Dom from City Warmth coming to you from my latest air source heat pump installation in Saltdean, Brighton. This install was a Heat Geek Zero Disrupt installation, which was a bit more involved than normal. Having had a heat pump at their previous address, the new owners of this property wanted another heat pump and came to us at City Warmth as their local leading Heat Geek installer. They have a detached chalet bungalow with a heat loss of 8.73 kilowatts, so it's a little on the larger side. But the challenge with this one was the property had been recently renovated by a builder who had put in radiators that weren't even big enough for their gas boiler. So we had to change 9. Now, just for context, the average number of radiators you'll be looking to swap as part of a heat pump installation is 3, and often we do none at all. But 9 is what it was here. They wanted to keep the cost lower, so challenged us with fitting a hot water cylinder in the same space as their combi boiler had been. So we put in this MiniStor, and look what we managed to achieve. We even had to think a little bit more creatively about where the controls would go, as they didn't want to change the aesthetic too much either. This is a Heat Geek MiniStor or a Heat Geek heat pump combi cylinder. Thing is genius. See our MiniStor video for more details on that. Okay, this is a decorative front panel which the homeowner is going to paint. They didn't want to be staring at the controls from their living room sofa. Hashtag open plan living. Here are the controls, making good use of otherwise dead space in front of all the pipework and mechanical controls behind. They were delighted with the solution. The heat pump is a brand new Vaillant AroTHERM Pro 7 kilowatt. Doesn't it look good? And to top it all off, their installation has come with a minimum combined SCOP guarantee of 375%, making it cheaper to run than their gas boiler. Happy days. Now we all know, or maybe not, that your heating water being super clean is super important for a heat pump. Dirty water can lead to reduced efficiency and breakdowns. We don't want either. So we press our installs as opposed to soldering them. It's cleaner and quicker. And there's some of the black UV resistant external insulation on the pipework you can see in the shot, ensuring the heat goes where we want it to, into the house. Here's what we had to set out behind the cylinder before offering it in. And here's the insulation, ensuring once again that the heat energy goes exactly where we want it to. We prefer to power flush all our heating systems where we can. And here's our mini power flush set up running to clean all the dirty water out of the radiators. Water which was dirty before we arrived, but not after we had done our job and left. If you'd like to have a new heat pump installed by a leading Heat Geek and live in Brighton or any of the surrounding areas, from Littlehampton to New Haven and even as far north as Haywards Heath, then give the office at City Warmth a call today. Thanks team, and see you on the next one.